Good morning, students. Myself, JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed JBC 6M students. In their class, there is a paper in botany, plant physiology. So, in that plant physiology, one portion is there photosynthesis. Frankly speaking, students, I haven't taught you any topic before lockdown, but after lockdown, I have prepared this lecture photosynthesis. So, this is the outline of our class. I will go through energy and carbon source, electromagnetic spectrum and light, chloroplast. Then we'll come to photosynthesis, the overview of photosynthesis, light reactions, C3 cycle, photorespiration, supplemental carbon fixation, C4 and CAM pathway. So let's start, student. First of all, there is the classification of plants on the basis of the source of energy in carbon. So on the basis of these two criteria, plant has been categorized into these four groups. First one is photoautotrophs, second is photoheterotrophs, third is chemoautotrophs, last is chemoheterotrophs. So how they are going to have their raw materials such as energy and carbon dioxide for the completion of photosynthesis. Okay, so such as let me explain. Photoautotrophs, they carry out their photosynthesis, use light energy for the fixation of CO2, store energy in chemical bonds of organic molecules. Includes example of this category is green plants, algae and some of the bacteria. Okay, so these are four different categories of plant based on energy source and their carbon source. Then we'll move to main instruments which are essential for photosynthesis, that is chloroplast. You might be knowing that chloroplast is known as kitchen of plant cell. Why? Because the reason behind that, as in our home there is a particular room that is known as kitchen where we prepare our food material. Similarly, in plant cell, particular organelle, that is chloroplast, which involved in the preparation of food material of plant, that is the process by photosynthesis, which is our topic to be studied. We'll see it later, but before that, let's study something about chloroplast, why chloroplast is known as kitchen. So you might be knowing that in cell organelles there are three organelles which are composed of double membranes. What are others? Apart from chloroplast, nucleus is there and another is mitochondria. Okay, so leave those parts. We are focusing here only on chloroplasts. In chloroplasts, here I have explained. I'm showing you the schematic diagram of chloroplast. Suppose there is a leaf, green leaf. This green leaf is made up of different tissues. One of them is mesophyll. In mesophyll there are chloroplast. Okay, and this is the schematic diagram of chloroplast. What are those parts? This chloroplast is composed of outer membrane, inner membrane space, thylakoid, stroma, granum. All those structure I have already mentioned in your notes. You need not to bother about that. I have already uploaded and I will give you this note so that you can prepare for your examination. But here try to focus, okay, on the concept and hypothesis so that you can prepare your notes. Okay, so this is all about the structure of chloroplast. Okay, thank you, student. I will stop my lecture over here. Then next period we'll move for next topic. Okay.